Hi, I'm Mark, an English teacher with more than 10 years of experience working with language learners. I'm an employee of the Ministry of Education. I have a bachelor's degree in English language teaching. At school, my students are between 12 to 15, so I really do understand how to deal with them. In this age, students are passionate and curious. That's why I use a communicative, student-centered approach, like real conversations, games, short videos, or attractive activities, not just memorizing some grammar drills. My goal is simple. First, remove mental barriers. This one is really important. Then, build confidence and a friendly rapport. If this happens, then learning naturally follows. In my experience, there is no need for long hours of studying, just like 20 or 30 minutes in a day. You just need consistency, perseverance, and discipline. I love to bring that passion and energy to my classes. So let's just give it a try.